Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am a firm believer that tarot cards help us in identifying the subconscious pattern that are leading to the situation in our career, health or relationships. I am posting this video and requesting universe to send this reading to those who are in need. This reading may or may not resonate, completely depends upon the situation at hand, and this reading is timeless. I am starting with the first card. The first card I picked was for the career situation at hand, for whomsoever of concern here. The first card is Knight of Cups, which talks about a young man riding a horse with a cup in hand. Cups in tarot represent our emotions. So it calls that we should be more creative in our pursuit, or any problem in our career can be solved using a creative bent of mind. This card is also talking about to be consistent in our efforts or creative efforts. This card is also talking about that we should not choose any or take any action out of fear. We should prioritize inner calm and peace while we are making any decisions in our career sector. So we can see this card is also talking about to stay connected with water and earth elements during our pursuit. This card is also talking about to stay grounded while we are taking any actions in our career. Now moving to the next card, which is the Devil. This card came out when I picked a card for the relationship situation at hand. The Devil card in tarot represents the underlying negative patterns running in our subconscious mind, which is more around this shadow self. So this card is definitely hinting at we should choose our higher self. To whomsoever of concern here, they should prioritize their higher self, and they should avoid or remove any addictions and obsessions they are currently with. They should definitely practice self-love, and they should also check if they are low on self-worth or not. This card is also talking about any self-sabotaging behavior at hand. This could be procrastination or any self-sabotaging behavior. This card is also talking about to not prioritize pleasure over work. And in order to enjoy fulfilling relationships, this card is also hinting at to remove any negative attachments with people around you. If you want to experience joy in your relationships, it is calling out loudly that shadow work is needed. You can connect with me if you want to do some shadow work. Perhaps I can help you with some journal prompts. Now moving on to the next card, which is the Eight of Swords. I picked this card for the health situation at hand, to whomsoever of concern here. This card is talking about swords, and swords in tarot represent our mental chaos, a mental situation. This card definitely talks about even if there is no health situation, bad health situation, our mental pattern, negative thinking is leading to that health situation. Even if the health situation is not good, our negative thinking patterns are worsening that situation. The number 8 over here represents if we take action, we will be able to change the current scenario and health situation as of now. This card is also talking about to take small steps, not big steps, but very small steps towards our health, towards bettering our health. Also, the card is showing earth and water elements. Perhaps we should be more focused, proactive in taking actions towards our health. And we should be devoid of any fears towards bettering our health. We should work upon our limiting beliefs regarding our health situation at hand. That's all for the reading for the day. I'll keep on posting such timeless tarot readings to help you identify the hidden subconscious patterns running in your mind. Thank you.